Okay, so I put her all back together. I've changed the head gasket, and I threatened to make a video of using my little soda blaster. I was too busy to screw around with the camera, but just to show you the end result, you can see it did a really good job, both on the cylinder head and the valve covers, and everything came up really clean. I was able to clean up the scorched area that I talked about in a previous video from the leaky dual fire spark system they had, and the head is not leaking anymore. The gasket is sealed. I've had it out for a couple of test rides. Everything's dry, no more oil leak, so I think I fixed that. And while I was at it, I also threatened to install the horn relay, and I've got that in now, and yeah, it made a big difference. The horn now has full volume, and I don't have to worry about burning any wires. Everything works great. So yeah, she's back in running condition. I've had it for a few test drives. Everything's working perfectly. So there she is, back together.